Good morning, class. In today's class, we will be covering Cleanliness is Godliness, its meanings, true, false, and question answer. Now, coming up to word meanings. First is mainland. Word mainland means land or continent. Global means worldwide. दुनिया भर में. Maintain, to keep. One must maintain his diary. That means one must keep a diary. Particular, strict. My teacher is very particular about the subject, very strict about her subject. Shambles, mess or disorder. Mess or disorder means when things are not kept properly, it is highly spread out here and there. सब चीज़ें इधर उधर फैली हैं या फिर गंदगी से भरी हुई हैं. दैट इज़ नोन एज शैम्बल्स. रबिश, गार्बेज, कूड़ा. अनहाइजीनिक, unclean and impure. This water is unhygienic, so you cannot drink it. That means it's unclean and impure. Volunteered. Volunteered means willingly offered to do something. अपनी इच्छा से कोई काम करना. That is volunteered. Tidy, to clean. Tidy the place, clean up the place. Pardon, to forgive. Pardon me please, मुझे माफ़ कर दो. माफ़ी मांगना. That is to forgive. Hanging his head, सर झुका के खड़े होना. To be ashamed of something. Ashamed means जब हमें अपनी गलती का एहसास होता है तो हम सर झुका के खड़े हो जाते हैं. That is hanging his head. Dignity of labor. The idea of all jobs are equal and respectable. Means सारी jobs बराबर हैं. No job is superior, no job is inferior. All jobs are same. Cleanliness is godliness. The idea to keep our surroundings and home clean. Cleanliness is godliness. It means that we should keep our surroundings and home clean because cleaning is next to praying the God. Now coming to true false. Aman was the class monitor of class 6th. So you have read the chapter. Was he the class monitor of class 6th? No, he was the class monitor of class 5. So this one will be false. Second one, the class teacher was very strict that everyone should attend the assembly in the morning. So was the class teacher strict? Yes. So this is true. Aman asked Mohit why he has skipped the morning assembly. Aman was the class monitor, if you remember. Aman ने मोहित से पूछा था. He asked that why you skipped the morning assembly. So this third one is true. Mohit made an excuse about missing the assembly. Excuse means बहाने मारना. So Mohit made an excuse? No, Mohit said what was true. So this is what Mohit made an excuse about the assembly. False. The teacher punished Mohit. Teacher ने मोहित को punish किया था. No. What happened? Teacher praised Mohit. After listening what Mohit did, teacher ने मोहित की तारीफ करी थी. He praised him. So teacher punished Mohit? No, it is false. Everyone was in the class when Mohit had come in the morning. सारे बच्चे क्लासरूम में थे? No. Where were they? They were in the assembly. So this statement, everyone was in the class when Mohit had come in the morning, this is false. Seventh one, Mohit came inside the class to keep his bag. True or false? True. Yes, when he came to the school, he was on time, and when he went to the class to keep his bag, he saw that the class was dirty. सुबह वो समय से आ गया था और जब उसने अपना बैग रखा उसने देखा कि क्लासरूम गंदा है. So he came inside the class to keep his bag. So the statement is true. Eighth one, the classroom was quite clean. Classroom साफ था? No, it was dirty. That's why he was busy cleaning it. So the classroom was quite clean. False. So these are true and false. Now coming to question and answers. Why did Mohit not attend the morning assembly that day? Children, we have already learnt in the chapter that when Mohit came to the class, he found that the class was dirty. जब वो सुबह आया उसने देखा क्लास गंदी है. So उसने क्या डिसाइड किया कि असेंबली को छोड़ के I will clean the classroom. So now let's read the answer. Mohit did not attend the morning assembly that day. Why? Because when he was about to leave for the assembly, he saw that the class was dirty and he got busy cleaning the classroom. Right? What did Mohit notice in the classroom? What did he do to rectify it? Rectify means sahi karne ke liye. So what did Mohit notice in the classroom? When Mohit came to the school, all the students had already gone for the assembly. जब मोहित क्लासरूम में आया उसने क्या देखा? सारे बच्चे जा चुके थे. As he was about to leave, he noticed that the classroom was in shambles with dust, rubbish and other waste. So जैसे ही वो जाने लगा, he was about to leave. He noticed, उसने क्या देखा? That the classroom was in shambles with dust. मीन्स वो धूल से भरा हुआ था, रबिश थी, गंदगी थी एंड अदर वेस्ट. द होल प्लेस वॉज डर्टी एंड अनहाइजीनिक. पूरी क्लासरूम गंदी थी. वॉट डिड ही डू टू रेक्टिफाई इट? मोहित रिमेंबर्ड द लेसन टॉट बाय हिज टीचर. उसे याद आया जो टीचर ने उसे पढ़ाया था. क्लीनलीनेस इज नेक्स्ट टू गॉडलीनेस. सो टू रेक्टिफाई द डर्टी क्लासरूम ही स्टेड बैक एंड वॉलंटियर्ड टू क्लीन इट. So, when he saw that the classroom was dirty, he remembered the words of the teacher. So, he stayed back. वो assembly में नहीं गया, वो class में रुका. He stayed back and volunteered to clean it. और उसने clean करने का decision लिया. Did the teacher scold Mohit? Why or why not? You have to state the reason. So, what happened in the chapter? Teacher scolded Mohit. Scold means डांटना. Teacher ने मोहित को डांटा? No, teacher did not scold Mohit for not attending the assembly. Why? Because he followed and practiced the lesson of cleanliness is godliness and also dignity of labor as taught by his teacher. जो टीचर ने उसे लेसन पढ़ाया था क्लास में, cleanliness is godliness and dignity of labor, he not only followed that but he practiced it also by cleaning the classroom. He taught the class the actual meaning of dignity of labor. So उसने वही किया था जो टीचर ने उसे क्लास में सिखाया था. So teacher did not scolded Mohit but praised him. How did the teacher appreciated Mohit? Appreciate means उसकी तारीफ कैसे करी? The teacher appreciated Mohit by pointing him out as a model to be copied by all as he had taught them the dignity of labor and cleanliness is godliness. टीचर ने मोहित को पॉइंट करके क्या करा? He pointed him out as a model that students that he is an example and you must follow him because he in real sense practiced dignity of labor and cleanliness is godliness. How did Mohit become a role model for others? Role model means to set an example. Mohit became a role model for others by volunteering to clean the classroom. He had applied the lessons of cleanliness as godliness and dignity of labor in his real life. So Mohit दूसरों के लिए एग्जाम्पल कैसे बना? Because he volunteered to clean the classroom. उसने क्लासरूम अपनी इच्छा से क्लीन करी और जो भी टीचर ने क्लासरूम में पढ़ाया था क्लीनलीनेस इज गॉडलीनेस एंड डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर ही अप्लाइड इन हिज रियल लाइफ. Generally, what teachers say that whatever we are teaching you in the class, it is not just for learning sake to score the marks. You must apply it in your real life. जो आपको क्लासरूम में सिखाया जाता है उससे सिर्फ आपको रट के मार्क्स नहीं गेन करने हैं. यू मस्ट अप्लाई दोज थिंग्स उनको अपनी रियल लाइफ में प्रैक्टिस करनी है. So he did so and he became the role model for the class. So these are the question and answers and exercises. Thank you.